CPT JJ-CPB Introduction, page 16, part 1.
Code symbols.
Code symbols. Summary listing of additions, deletions, and revisions applicable to the CPT code book is found in Appendix B. And the main symbols, all these symbols appear on every page, right? So if you forget any one, you just look at the bottom of the page and you will see that. Some of the examples there is that a circle is indicates a new code, right? And a triangle, a revised code, right? Okay, that's our theory for today. Now let's do a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready,
set, go.
My bad.
All right, no problem. JJ-RVA, page 252, exercise 36, and this is a level 2 exercise, and the title is
Amputation finger.
Amputation finger. And the text reads like this.
Surgery, musculoskeletal. Patient presents with a traumatic partial amputation of the second, third, and fourth fingers on the right hand. Patient was taken to the operating room where completion of the amputation of 3 fingers was performed with direct closure.
With direct closure, okay? So that's the procedure. Now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the CPT code for this procedure, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is like this. There's just one code, the same code repeated 3 times, but each time with a different modifier for each finger, right? So the answer is 26951, modifier F6, and the same code 26951, modifier F7, and the same code 26951, modifier F8. That's the answer. Now, did you get that? If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. Let's go. Tip number 1.
Start with amputation. There are only 3 codes despite the big range.
Yeah, you're going to find a big range. So you're going to think, oh my god, there's many codes that I have to look for. No, don't get scared. There are only 3 codes within that range, right? And now the second tip.
For modifier 1 of the first code, F6 is right hand second digit.
Right. F6 is the right hand second digit. The modifiers is just explain the what hand is it, the left or the right, and what digit is it. Let's erase 3 and 4 because that is supposed to be a tip.
Okay.
With that they can find the rest.
Right.
Okay, and then there's a picture over there, right?
Right.
Of an actual amputation with closure, right? You see that they have taken the finger, right?
Right.
This finger they have taken and they have closure. Now the patient has only 4 fingers, right? And now let's watch a video of how this is done. There's no audio in the video, but this graphical explanation, you just see what's being done.
Right. You see here right there, this is a part 2. So they're taking all those bones out.
Right.
First they have to cut around the infected skin and
Open, right? To get to the bones, right?
Right. Those bones that are nearly cracked, probably.
Well, that's what they're taking out, right?
Right.
And then
They're going to cut it a bit even further.
to expose the inside of the hand, right?
Right. And also cut around those bones.
Yeah. There you go. That's the amputation, right? They're cutting off that.
And they put the gauze on it. So that way they heal.
That's the way that it's done. Okay, thank you. All right. Now let's go back to our problem. So you know already what they're doing, right? The procedure, and you know the answer already. There are 3 codes. Well, there's 1 code with 3 modifiers. So now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the path, how we got to the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. All right, this is the summary of the whole problem. It's a surgery section of the CPT code book. Is the musculoskeletal system. The patient presents with a traumatic partial amputation of the second, third, and fourth fingers of the right hand on the right hand. The patient was taken to the operating room where completion of the amputation of 3 fingers was performed with direct closure. Okay, there are 3 codes, right? The way to find the 3 codes through the index is like this.
First you go to index.
The index, and then
you go to amputation.
You start with amputation, and then you go to
finger.
And then you're going to find a range of codes that looks like from 50 to 52. You say, oh my God, do I have to check like 40 codes? No. Don't worry. There are only 3 codes inside, right?
Right.
All the other numbers are empty. They don't exist, right? So we're going to check all those 3 codes. So the code 1 through 3 with the tabular is checked like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to tabular.
You start with 26910.
You start with the first one. And what is that?
Amputation, metacarpal with finger or thumb, ray amputation.
Ray amputation. We don't have that, the phrase in our text, so we keep looking. The next one.
26951
which is the second one, right? And what is that?
Amputation, same thing with the finger or thumb, with direct closure.
With direct closure. That's the phrase that we have in it. So we're suspecting that this is the one, but let's just check the next one.
26952 with local advancements flaps.
We don't have that. So we have to go back to the 26951, right? With the direct closure. And now the reason why we need the equal sign is the confirmation of the code, but the reason why we need a modifier is that there were 3 different fingers, right? And the F6 and F7 and F8 are the description of those fingers. You have to go to the place where the modifiers are and just find the description of these 3 modifiers, right? So that's why we have the answer 26951 with modifier F6, 26951 with modifier F7, and 26951 for modifier F8 that describes the amputation of the 3 fingers. Okay, so that's our answer. And now we invite you to visit our website, and also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
All right, just click on the subscribe button and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
So don't forget, visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.